The Pixel 9 Pro Fold may just be the best foldable you can buy right now. As of the making of this video, it's $11.99 brand new at Best Buy. Check it out. Got an affiliate link in the description. So I reviewed the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I tested it out. I used it for like, I don't know, maybe about a month last year. It wasn't my favorite, but it wasn't because the phone wasn't good. I just didn't like the design all that much coming over from the Pixel Fold. I liked my Pixel Fold better in some ways because of that form factor. I like that book style, the passport style form factor. But there are a lot of things in retrospect that they got right, like the Tensor 4 chip. It's significantly better than the Tensor 2. I even used my Pixel Fold some, even up till a couple months ago. I ended up giving it to my buddy as he wanted to try out a folding phone. So I gave him my OG Pixel Fold. And yeah, it was starting to kind of show its age a little bit. The Tensor 2 compared to using a Tensor 4 is just, it's not that great. The Tensor 4 is a very good chip, better modem, better battery, better heat, all that good stuff. And of course, you get the bigger screens. And I kind of come around to the bigger form factor here lately, especially since I've been using the Z Fold 7, right? I've really enjoyed the Z Fold 7, fantastic phone. But with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold is going to be here in 6 days. And I talked about this yesterday in my video with the Pixel 9 Pro being on sale for $699. I think it still is. But at $699, that's a $300 discount. $11.99 is a $600 discount. And is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold worth that? Absolutely. Now, the price of this could change between now and tomorrow, right? It's just one of those things. But I think it'll probably continue to be on sale for a little bit until the new one comes out because they want to try and clear out the inventory. Should you buy a Pixel 9 Pro Fold over a Pixel 10 Pro Fold at an $800 discount or $600 discount? Probably so. uh, and maybe Google will get pissed off at me for saying this, but hey, I mean, if somebody buys a Google phone, I guess it's still a win for them. Even though I have to say this, I'm not a salesman. I'm not trying to sell you a phone. I'm just trying to tell you that if you want to get one, it's an insanely good deal. I like the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I like the screen. I like the battery life. The cameras are pretty decent. The hang up I had with that phone was because it was basically the same cameras that we had from the Pixel Fold, but then now we're calling it the Pro Fold. I'm like, how are we calling this phone with the same cameras as last year, which are not even the same ones in the Pixel 9 Pro series phones, a Pixel 9 Pro Fold? If they had just called it the Pixel 9 Fold, I'd have been all about it, right? So those are some of the things that kind of irked me about it. But the phone itself is beautiful. The colors are beautiful, and it has a beautiful screen on it. There's a lot of great things going for it that make it an absolutely good steal at that price. Yes, I know $11.99 is still expensive, but it's $600 off, and that's a really good deal for a brand new Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Instead of presumably, I mean, we might be looking at another $17.99 when the Pixel 10 Pro Fold comes out. So that's a lot of money. And if you're just looking to get into the form factor, if you're looking to get a Google phone, if you want to try out a Pixel, you want to try out a Pixel Fold, you want to try out Android 16, and that's one of the other great benefits of any Pixel phone is you get all the great updates, right? We're going to get the Material 3 Expressive when that comes out next month. We're going to get some cool new updates with the quarterly feature drop in September. You get the quarterly feature drops in September, December, March, and June, right? And this year they gave us Android 16. We got it way before anybody else. It's nice and it's polished. It's been working really, really well, and I've enjoyed it quite a bit. Plus, you get the monthly security patches, so that's also something that's really cool. So I just happened to see it this morning. I'm still here in New York. I'm actually getting ready to come back to Houston here this afternoon. And yeah, I saw it. I'm like, wow, that is an insanely good deal. So I wanted to share it with folks and let you know, hey, I used it. It's a good phone. I just liked my Z Fold better because I had my S Pen and I like the form factor better. I've always been kind of a Samsung Fold person. I've had the Fold, the Fold 2, Fold 3, Fold 4, Fold 5, Fold 6, Fold 7, and yeah, it's a great phone. But do you want to spend $19.99 and buy a Z Fold 7, or do you want to pay $11.99 and get a Pixel 9 Pro Fold? 100% of the time, I would buy a Pixel 9 Pro Fold if that were my decision process. So it's just something cool. Really good price, really good deal. I wanted to just go ahead and share that if y'all are interested, because I know I got a lot of Pixel fans that watch my videos and you're like, hey, yeah, I would love to get one of those. So hopefully that helps you out. It is a good phone, especially for that price. God, it's insane. I saw it yesterday and it was like $13.99 or $14.99, and I almost commented about it. I can't remember if I said anything in my video, but I saw it today was $11.99. I'm like, good gosh, like That's one of the best deals I've ever seen on a Pixel phone. So I just thought I'd share that. Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions, comments, gripes, concerns, complaints, all those things, please, of course, go to the comment section. I'll do my best to get back with you. Just a short, sweet video to talk about it, let you guys know. And, of course, hit the like and the subscribe button. Pixel 10 series stuff coming out 6 days. August the 20th, I will be covering it. You'll have some day one coverage here for me, maybe some surprises, and we can talk about that stuff in a week. But for now, I'm going to get off here, and thank you for everything. Thank you for your support. Thank you for all you do. I wouldn't be here in New York if it weren't for you guys. So you guys are the best fans, the best subscribers, the best followers in all of the internet out there, and it's just great what we've been able to do together over all these years, thanks to all your support and dedication and showing up every day, watching the videos, and being amazing people. So that's all I got. As always, thanks for being here. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you guys next time.